That was a really bad sleep. Welcome to the party, pal.
You want some toasties?
Is this the cheese toasty to fill you up before we go?
I got you one anyway.
Oh.
No, you can have
What a
it.
kind fellow you are.
It's free.
Yeah, this is my breakfast here. Nuts, bread, and a carrot. 2 carrots. Okay, so we met Miguel, who's from Australia, and Theresa, who's from Germany, the night before, and we decided all to rent a private boat and go to Maya Bay. That was the plan. Oh boy. Okay, so it is 5:30 in the morning right now, and we are walking out to this little ship. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna stand there. Are you making me go? Yeah, me go first. Hopefully I fall in the mud. Guys, there is no one out right now.
Yeah, it's just perfect time.
We're here. Who would have thunk?
Alright, here we go.
Wow. That's a giant. That's a big puppy. Kidding me?
I've been lost and I've been found, but I know someone who light my way, raise me up and show me the way, 'cause I know right now we found our place and nothing can shake us down. We got someone who light the way. I know wherever we may go, together
We're starting to see the sunrise. So shallow.
Wow.
Wherever we may go, together we're alone.
Boats can't pass this car.
Here, no?
You wait here?
You swim in, you look,
Okay.
now. You see national park now.
If you see a person on the beach, turn around and come back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So basically this is a national park and there's no way to get here without paying a big fee. Because we're on a private boat, they tried to get us here nice and early before the crowd. See, it's empty right now. But the only way to get there is for us to really swim from here, there, or to go around and pay a big fee, which we do not want to do because we're budget travelers. So
we have to swim back if we see anyone.
and we're swimming all the way there right now, but
We have to go along the edges of the rock wall.
so they don't see us. So we're gonna go take the GoPro and go for a little swim.
So we have to swim that way first.
Yes,
Yeah,
and
we
then
gotta
over.
swim across.
Okay, so he's dropping us off over in the corner and we have to swim all along there to the beach. So this is a stealth mission.
Oh my god.
Mission impossible, don't get caught in Maya Beach.
Banana? Do you want
Banana.
Oh, for energy. He's giving us a banana for energy.
I'll have it when I get back.
Well, yeah, when we come back. Hey,
Later, later,
2,
not now.
1.
hey! Here we go. Okay, so this was supposed to be a video on how we got to Maya Beach with no one else there, but it turned into a video about how we almost got caught by the Thai police.